Hi everyone, once again welcome back here. So today I am going to start Violin Plot in Seaborn library. I have recorded Violin Plot in Hindi also. You can check it out. I will mention the link in the description. Firstly, we have to import two most important library for the data visualization. First one is the Seaborn. As we know, IMPORT Seaborn as SNS. SNS is the alias. Another one is import matplot live.pyplot as plt. Before proceeding further, I am going to explain what actually this violin plot defines. violin plot means here. Actually, it is like distribution of data in different category or range that only defines the violin plot. Distribution of data, you can say distribution of data, okay, of different categories. We are going to take the data sets. After that I'm going to explain how can you distribute the data. We are going to create, suppose in X I'm going to take the total bill here. One would be the, in X axis there would be the numeric values, so total bill is numeric values, and in Y I am going to compare it with time or day. In time there would be like lunch, dinner and all, everything there would be. So one is the numeric values, another one is the categorical values. That would be the distribution here. Let's see it. I'm going to take one data sets here. Firstly, what we have to do, sns dot load underscore data set. Actually our main motto is we have to create one violin, lots of violin here, and how data is distributed. Suppose the wider area, there would be wider area, it means that there are more data points and there would be more density. And if there would be the shorter area of violin, then there is less data points and there is less density. And sns dot load datasets, I'm going to take here tips. So this is the tips datasets as you can see here, and I'm going to create here violin plot here. Everyone please try to understand it very nicely. So for that what we have to do, sns dot violin plot, and here x I'm going to take total bill here, total underscore bill bill, and y I am going to take here time, you can say. Yes, time would be fine. There would be the time here, and it is going to give you the error because it is saying that could not interpret value total bill for x. Value is not a string but data was not passed, so we have to pass the data. Firstly we have to define the data. So this tips data sets will be stored in a variable, and the name of that variable would be var, and I have to print here var here. Now it's fine, and here we can pass here data is equal to var. Oh, now you can see this is the violin plot, you can check it out. And if I have to interchange, in place of x I'm going to take here, in place of x I'm going to take time here, and in y I'm going to put here total bill, total underscore bill here. Now it's fine, you can see the violin plot. Or in x you can take day also, it would be very good. So I'm going to take here day. Where is the violin plot here? Why we have to pass here data? Because this tips data set has been stored in variable, and the name of that variable is var. And from tips data set you are taking total bill, and you are taking time, or you are taking day and all. So you have to mention like day and time comes from which data sets. So I have taken here data is equal to var is the variable where tips data set has been stored. Okay, I hope you got it. And after that what you have to define here, color is equal to red. Now you can see this violin plot, you can see. So there are more data points because the wider area of this violin plot is greater. Here we have greater wider area, you can see. So more data points we have. And if I'm going to take here edge color is equal to blue, we can take, yes, it's fine. This is the concept here. And we can use the palette also, palette is equal to a double c and t ascent So palette is not defined. A double color blind we are going to see. COLORBLIND color blind. Yeah, it's fine here. Pastel we can check. PSTL here. Yeah, it's fine, it's nice. So coming back to the next point, we are going to create violin plot here. Okay, so it is going to be SNS dot VIO, or here only we can take, yeah, here only we are going to take we are going to take here. What is the order? We have order time. Let's take another one. So SNS dot VIOLINPLOT here. X is equal to, I'm going to take time, this X is equal to time, and Y is equal to total bill here, and data is equal to VARR var. This you can see, and here I am going to take order also. Order we have, and order it is going to be the dinner and lunch this time. DINN here. By default we have lunch and dinner, but I am going to take here dinner and lunch here. Yes, and dinner and lunch. The order has been changed. You can see, easily see. And we want to change the color also. For that, what you have to do? PALETT palette you have to take inside the dictionary. For dinner, we can say in form of dictionary YLLOW yellow, and for lunch we can say here blue we can take, or magenta we can take here, magenta here. Yes, now you can see. So firstly we have put here order. One is the parameter is the order. In order, firstly it was lunch and dinner, but we have interchanged it. Now it is dinner and lunch, and the palette color is for dinner it is going to be yellow color, and for lunch it is going to be magenta color. So with the help of palette you can easily take it, and here you can see anything like SATURATIO, and saturation is equal to 0.1. so you can see the saturation here, or you can increase till 1. 0.9 you want to put here, it's fine. The maximum point would be, it varies from 0 to 1, right? So maximum point would be here 1. It's fine here, it's fine. Okay, this is the thing we can easily see here. And after that, what you can do, we can easily define here figure or axis. Figure or axis is equal to PLT dot subplots. I'm explaining why we have to define this. Figure subplots, and after that PLT dot x label here. PLT dot x label, I'm going to define x label time, and font size is equal to 22. Font weight here bold, yeah, it's fine. And again here PLT dot y label, and here this time I'm going to take TOTL total bill, and font size is equal to 33. Font weight is equal to bold. So this is the thing. After that I'm going to create one for loop. For level in ax dot get underscore x tick levels here, level dot set underscore font weight here, I'm going to take bold. So it is going to be, yeah, so the x-axis value has been bold, dinner lunch here. And again here, for level in ax dot get underscore y tick levels here, level dot set underscore font width, I'm going to take here bold. So firstly we have to define this figure or axis. After that you can easily create the loops, for loops. Why for loop is needed, I discuss in many videos, in matplotlib videos also discussed, in the Seaborn videos also discuss. We have to create the for loop so that you can easily increase the font width of each x-axis values and y-axis values. Okay, so how many, if suppose is going to be 10 values, so there would be 10 iteration, and with the help of 10 iteration, in 10 iteration it is going to bold all the values in x-axis also, in y-axis also. So that's why for loop is very important. Now coming back to the next point here, again I'm going to create one more violin plot here, sns dot violin plot, violin plot here. This time x I'm going to take, yes, total bill I'm going to take here, total bill bill here, and y is equal to, I'm going to put this time not day, for sure I'm going to take day here, and data is equal to var var. Oh, this is violin plot, right? Yes, now the orientation has been changed. In upper one this is the vertical one, and here we have horizontal one, right? And we can take here split is equal to split is equal to true, so it has been splitted. If you are going to put here false, it will show you. And here I'm going to use more one term, inner is equal to quart, quart. So this is the quart one, and this is, I'm going to take here false split, I'm not going to split it, flossney false, false false. So sorry, I'm really so sorry. Yes, now in inner I'm going to put here range, range. Oh, so what is the value of inner? This is quad box stick point none, box stick point none, box. So what is actually inner? Inner, this you can say, this is the box type. Inside the violin you can see here, this is the box type structure. And here I'm going to take none, none, none point stick box quad stick point none, yes, like this, this is none. And after that I'm going to put here point point, uh, stick I'm going to use here stick. So this is the stick here, you can easily check it. Inner generally defines the whatever inside the violin plot we have, that only defines, right? So this is the beautiful concept of violin plot. I hope you really enjoyed the video. If you really enjoyed the video, please do comment and let me know that this video is helpful, so that I'm going to create more videos on other topics. Thank you so much for watching. Meanwhile, keep learning, keep exploring. Bye, have a great day, love you all.